Welcome once again to Amazing Kitchen. Today we will be making fried chicken. So what we have is we will be making some tasty drumsticks at home that taste just like your fast food and eating out flavor. Okay, let's start. We have about 1 kilo of drumsticks, okay, and we will start by seasoning it. We have about 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. We have about 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Okay. Then we have about a pinch of thyme, dry thyme. Then another tablespoon of salt for flavoring. This is awesome. And last we have some dark soy sauce for coloring and some sweetness also. Now that we have everything in, we simply mix it up. As you know, I like to use my hand. I like to feel the seasoning mixing right into the chicken, so I know when everything is coated. Then finally we add some cornstarch. So the cornstarch will act as the coating for this chicken leg, and this will give it the crisp when we deep fry it. Okay, now we mix it up. Alright, now we have gotten all the chicken leg coated in this cornstarch. We put it on a separate plate so that the plate can be transported to the fryer. Now we got the excess flour we don't need. Here we go. Great, now we got all the chicken leg coated in the flour and it's well seasoned. Now we can take it to the deep fryer and give it a drench in the heat, so to bring the crisp out of the chicken. Awesome, let's go. Alright, now we're ready to cook this chicken and deep fry them. We have a pot of oil that is heating up as we speak. As you can see, it's starting to bubble. So it's removing any water content that is in the oil, and once it comes to temperature, once all the moisture is out, it will stop bubbling. So how do we know when it's ready without a thermometer to see if the temperature is right to deep fry? If you have a wooden chopstick or any kind of wooden stick without any coating, if you stick it in, you will see that it starts to bubble right around the chopstick area. So once it starts to do that, it shows that the temperature is right for deep frying. We pick up our first piece of chicken. We start with the biggest piece and we drop it in the oil. Be careful. Right, this is looking good. Found a spot for this last piece. Shove this around a bit. Squish. It's a little tight in there. That's okay. We leave it on low heat. Let it slowly deep fry. Crispen the outside and then cook through on the inside. So we don't want it on high heat because we don't want to burn the outside before the inside is cooked. So we just watch it browning and we flip it every about 2-3 minutes to make sure that not one side is burnt. And we flip it back and forth until it's ready and we take it out. Okay, let's see. This is smelling awesome. And rest it on this plate. Smelling good. We allow it to rest for a little while and then we can start tasting. Now that the chicken is ready, we have plated it and we will make a simple sauce or dip for this chicken. So what we have here is about 2 tablespoons of mayo, about 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and I love my sauce a little spicy, so I've had some hot sauce mixed into this. So we just simply give this a mix, and once it's almost ready, we give it some black pepper, freshly grounded. The aroma is great. All right, now this dipping sauce is ready. Now let's see how the chicken looks. Here we have the fried chicken. Don't they look beautiful? I put it on a bed of lettuce, so now we have a salad with our chicken. So we can have this with fries, we can have this with rice, your choice. So let's give it a try. Alright, I'll try it without sauce first. Let's see. It tastes just like store-bought, but it's made at home. Much more affordable and quick and easy. This is nice. Now let's add some sauce to this and see how it changes the flavor for this. Alright. Second bite. The skin is nice and crispy. The chicken is soft and moist. Perfect. And a nice salad to go with it. Awesome. So if you like what you see today, don't forget to subscribe. So until next time, bye now.